Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you another very effective strong fat burning recipe of mine, so yummy as well. I consume this most especially during these festive periods as I tend to eat a lot, and it helps me burn down this kind of chunky belly. Like, this melts down belly fat and gets me back to shape. As you can see, this is me in the picture, same shirt I'm wearing here. It melts down my belly, like it goes so down. This is another picture of mine, and I get back in shape without belly fat, and all bad fats are gone. So yeah, this is it. Let me share with you the recipe. What I use as the first ingredient is pineapple peel. So these are my pineapple peels that I peeled from my pineapple I used previously and refrigerated. As you can see, they are frostbitten because they are from my freezer. I freeze them, I don't throw them, so I can use them later for my weight loss recipes, because pineapple peels are very good at heating up the system and burning down bad fats in the system, most especially belly fat. It cleanses your stomach and burns out all the bad fats from your system. Like, this is so good for cleansing and fat burning. So this is it. If you are not used to this, is how I got it from pineapple, and I got the peel. Yeah, so you can buy fresh pineapple and get the peel and use the fruit for your smoothies, but what we need is the pineapple peel here. When you boil it, it is even more effective because you can't eat it raw. It is equally so medicinal. So what I want to do is I want to heat up water for it to boil, and I put this on the fire before I prepare the next ingredients I'll be adding in here. So that is it. You want to get your water to boil so it doesn't take long for you to really cook these ingredients, so it boils so fast. So this is my pot, and these are my pineapple peels. So I'll add in my hot water. This is 4 cups of hot water. So you can use your pot, boil your water, and just add 4 cups in your pineapple peel. This way you will not boil this for long to destroy a lot of the benefits. So the next thing I'll add in here will be cinnamon powder. So cinnamon powder too is very good at boosting your metabolism, cleansing your stomach of bad fats, and enabling you pass out waste, a lot of waste, poop out waste from your system as well, so you can get your stomach back in shape without the belly fat. So this is my cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and I'll be adding cayenne pepper. This is optional. If you don't have cayenne pepper or you are allergic to pepper, you can skip the cayenne pepper, but cayenne pepper too helps to heat up the system and help you burn down fats like so fast as well. So that is a teaspoon of cayenne pepper as well. So this is it on the fire. As you can see, because I used hot water, the boiling time will not be long. So I'm just trying to like mix up these ingredients in here, and I'll allow it to boil for like 10-15 minutes, so the benefits from the pineapple peel can actually like get into the water for it to become my fat burning juice. So the next, oh, my camera went off. So the next thing I want to achieve here is a tablespoon of ginger as well, but I will not be cook. So while the pineapple peel is cooking, I will be grating my ginger. I will not like put this ginger while it is cooking. I will wait for it to cook for the 15 minutes, and when I off my stove, that is when I'll put my ginger in. So just watch the procedure. Ginger is very good as it helps to heat up the system, to burn down fats, fasting and awakens your metabolism, so you can easily break down and burn fats out of your system and get back in shape. So this is it. I'm trying to achieve a teaspoon of ginger here. Very good for fat burning. If you don't love ginger and you're oversized, just fall in love with it. I battle a lot with weight. I easily gain weight, so I always make these recipes to help me get back in shape whenever I go out of hands. So yeah, that is my teaspoon there. So the next thing I'll add in here will be any citrus fruit. You can use grapefruit, lime, lemon, any of which you are accessible to. I'll be using grapefruit today, just because I added cayenne pepper, and grapefruit goes so well with cayenne pepper. So yeah, so I'll be squeezing out the juice from my one grapefruit. This is so good. It helps to awaken and boost your metabolism as well. so that way you can easily break down fats from your system, and like it flushes out bad fats from your system by awakening your metabolism, so that way you can easily poo all the waste, bad oils, bad fats from your system and get back in shape. So if you're using lemons, you can use 2 lemons, but if you're using grapefruit, just 1 grapefruit will be enough. Or you can use 1 lemon. If you are not really comfortable with lemon, you can use 1 lemon, but they are all good and very effective at helping with fat burning. So this is it. You want to get the juice out, and the next thing you want to do now is to add in the, you see the fiber from the grapefruit. I'll add it in here. So this is my pot 15 minutes after. So this, now I am offing my stove. So the stove is off now. After 15 minutes of boiling, I off the stove. I'll add in my the fiber I got from the grapefruit. You saw how I was squeezing the grapefruit. This fiber, I will be adding it here now. So you want to add in your fiber there, so you don't throw the benefits away. Yeah, so that is it. The next thing I'll add now is the ginger. So my stove is off. This is when I'm adding my ginger. I'm adding my teaspoon of ginger now, so it doesn't cook like too much. It just heats up a little bit in my drink, not cook a lot. So yeah, this is it. You just put it now here and try to mix the ingredients together to really get infused, so you can get your rich drink out of it. Yep. So you allow it to cool down. So I'll just leave it here now for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Just allow it to cool down. By 30 minutes it will be just warm for you to have it as tea, but in 1 hour's time it will actually really cool down. It will still be warm but not too warm, so you can have it like tea, warm, or you can have it like your drink. So you can have it 2 ways if you want to, but the first glass I have it as tea, then subsequently now I have it as my drink. So this is it. As you can see, I'm trying to sieve out the juice into my I'm trying to sieve out the juice into my drink, into my cup. You don't want any particles, and I will not be throwing this pineapple peel for now. The next, I'll add in 2 cups of water again in here and boil again. After I'm done with this, I'll add 2 cups of water in here, just store in my refrigerator. When I'm done with this, I can just heat it up again and drink for the next day. So this is so effective. Depending on, you can have this, like, this is so good, most especially if you are struggling with weight. Like, these are the kinds of drinks you want to go for, healthy recipes that will help you burn fats. So yeah, this is my you remember the grapefruit juice I was like getting at the beginning. Like, so this is when I'm adding my grapefruit juice. Yeah, so when you must have sieved everything, the grapefruit juice is the last thing you want to add in your drink, and you mix the everything well together and you're good to go. This is it. As I mentioned earlier, you can have it warm as tea, and when it gets cool, you can still have it as your drink. So 2 ways it will still work so well. So this is it. You can have the first cup on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, so it gets into a very empty system and burn the fats for you. After your meal, you can have it. Last thing at bedtime, you can have some before going to bed, to help you break down and melt down all the bad fats in your system for you to get in shape. So these are the kinds of the best kinds of juices or drinks you want to go for if you are struggling with weight, as this helps to awaken and help your system burn down fats from your system. This, you should fall in love with these kinds of healthy recipes. You want to try as much as you can to eat healthy as well. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, most importantly. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.